Hey guys, just doing a quick unboxing of these lights. Alright, so you get this, just perfect. Put that there. Oh no, this is the solar panel. And you set that up here. Should go in this way, I think. Yeah, goes in this way. Perfect. So that's how it looks like. It's small, you can see it fits in my hand. And we do have, let me just take this out for now. And we do have a mode on and off. So I know with the mode, there's I think 2 or 3 modes to it. So there's the blinking mode and then the static mode. Maybe there's just 2 then. So that's the solar panel. Alright, this is just plastic to protect it. You shouldn't have it on really, if you want its optimum. Now the lights themselves, you kind of see them here. I'll try to take this apart so you guys can see them better. Yeah, it's really thin, so let me get a close-up shot for you guys. Yeah, it's hard to get a good shot of this whole thing. You guys can get a good idea how this looks like right now. I will turn them on. Alright, so what I did was set them up here. Okay, this is my staircase. So you can see they're not that bright right now, and that's because we didn't get that much sun indoors. So through my windows, we didn't get that much sun going through today. So they're very faint. You can kind of see it. Anyways, that's it for this unboxing. If you guys have any questions, comments, you can write them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.